You just finished a large meal, but less than 2 hours later, you are staring into the refrigerator looking for a snack. Sound familiar? For most people struggling to lose weight, the biggest obstacle is not the gym. It is relentless, uncontrollable hunger. You try to use willpower to eat less, but eventually, your cravings win, and the scale goes up. Welcome back to Vital Wellness. Today, we are answering the ultimate weight loss question. Why are you always hungry? We are going to reveal the biological reasons your brain thinks you are starving, the danger of the blood sugar roller coaster, and the exact steps you can take today to permanently turn off your hunger hormones and start burning fat effortlessly. To understand your hunger, you first need to understand your biology. Your appetite is controlled by two primary hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Think of ghrelin as the hunger hormone. When your stomach is empty, it releases ghrelin to tell your brain it is time to eat. On the other hand, leptin is your satiety hormone. Leptin is produced by your fat cells and sends a signal to your brain that you have enough energy stored and you can stop eating. In a healthy body, this system works perfectly. But if you are overweight and constantly hungry, you are likely suffering from a condition called leptin resistance. This means your fat cells are producing plenty of leptin, but your brain has become completely deaf to the signal. Because your brain cannot hear the leptin, it thinks you are starving, even if you just ate a massive meal. This is why willpower will never work. You are fighting a biological survival mechanism. So, what causes leptin resistance and constant hunger? Reason number 1 is the blood sugar roller coaster. When you eat a meal composed mostly of refined carbohydrates, like pasta, bread, or sugary snacks, your blood sugar spikes rapidly. In response, your pancreas pumps out a massive amount of insulin to bring that sugar down. But it often overcompensates, causing your blood sugar to crash just an hour or two later. When your blood sugar crashes, your brain panics and releases a flood of ghrelin, demanding quick energy in the form of more sugar. You are trapped in a vicious cycle of spiking and crashing all day long. Reason number 2 for your constant hunger is that you are eating naked carbohydrates. A naked carb is any carbohydrate eaten completely by itself, without any protein or healthy fat to slow down its digestion. For example, eating an apple by itself will cause a rapid blood sugar spike. But if you eat that same apple with a handful of almonds or a spoonful of peanut butter, the fat and protein act as a buffer. They slow down the absorption of the sugar, keeping your blood sugar stable and keeping you full for hours. Reason number 3 is a severe lack of high-quality protein. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient on the planet. When you eat protein, it actively suppresses the production of ghrelin in your stomach. It also stimulates the release of a hormone called PYY, which directly tells your brain you are full. If your meals are mostly carbohydrates and fats, you will never feel truly satisfied. So, how do we fix your hunger hormones and cure leptin resistance? First, you must prioritize protein at every single meal. Aim for at least 30 grams of high-quality protein for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Second, stop eating naked carbohydrates. Always pair your carbs with a healthy fat or a protein source. And finally, cut out the constant snacking. Eating 6 small meals a day keeps your insulin continuously elevated, which drives leptin resistance. Give your digestive system a break and stick to 3 solid, nutrient-dense meals. You do not lack willpower. Your hormones are just out of balance. Fix your meals, stabilize your blood sugar, and watch your cravings disappear. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Vital Wellness for more science-backed weight loss secrets. Let us know in the comments, what is the one snack you simply cannot resist? See you in the next video.